Hi, so this video is just going to be showing how you install your files into the Sierra Chart platform. Hopefully by now you've already downloaded Sierra Chart, and that's on your laptop or on your PC or whatever you're using. So the files will be installed already on there. So what you do is you'll now get your files, the chart books that I emailed you over. You'll copy those files and you're going to paste them into the Sierra Chart data folder. So how we do that is this PC, Windows C drive, that's what you want to find on your PC. And then you'll see Sierra Chart folder. So click that. And then you want the data folder. Click that. And then you'll copy and paste them in there, and they'll show up the Bankers Club chart book. Then you can click off there. So they've already been installed into it. And then what you do is you'll launch Sierra Chart, and you'll probably get possibly a screen like this. What you're seeing at the moment might have a few windows with some information on. But what you want to do is you can either open chart book there, or you can go into file and open chart book. So either or, open chart book, and then you want to select the Bankers Club chart book, and then it should load all the charts up. If you've still got a blank screen, you can see here I've got my little world here, my Sierra Chart. That opens up because all the windows for the charts, I have them all detached so I can move them about. So you'll just pull up a chart, click on it, and then it will load onto the screen. If you want to add another one, click on it, you can add another one. You can then obviously drag it about, resize it, minimize it back to there. So you can either click on the globe there and click on the charts that you want to select, or you can go on CW here, click on that, and then you get a drop down box, and again you can select what chart you want, like so, and then obviously minimize it, and you can drag it, rearrange it wherever you want. So that's what you do there. Now if you want to, you might need to add a new symbol. So you go into chart, like what currency pair you're trading. So you go into chart settings, and then symbol. And I'm trading obviously British pound futures. So I'm on the futures CME British pound, and I'm trading we are actually currently trading on the March 2022 contract. So depending when you're seeing this video, if you're planning on doing British pound as well, you might at this point be needing to do the June 22 or the September 22, depending what time you're looking at this video. But as of the current moment in time, we're trading on the March 2022 contract. You can also, if you're only on service package 5 of Sierra as opposed to 11, you can always use the Forex FXCM data and to get you started, and you can select obviously Great British Pound, US dollar, although the data from FXCM is not very reliable. So although it'd be fine for using on your market profile charts and your VWAP charts, I wouldn't use it on the footprints, or if you do, take it with a pinch of salt, because as I say, the data's not so reliable and you'll be getting missed signals on the footprint charts. So hence why I use the futures CME data. And as I say, we're on the March contract at the moment. So that's that. So you might need to do those for every single chart. You only need to do it once. Once it's done, it's done. So like again, and then select the symbol, apply, okay. I'm sure you already know how to do all this, but just some of you might not be aware. So just a quick introduction into it. Also, I might as well just show you. So once you've got all your charts loaded up and everything, you can obviously drag them up and down like this. You can resize, zoom in or zoom out by scrolling along the bottom here. If you need to change the scale, interactive scaling mode you can use, and click to range, and then you can stretch like that. You see, if it doesn't, depending what size screen or resolution or whatever you might want to have a play with that, then click it back to move, so you can then move it back up and down. Let me see what else there might be, what you might find of use. I think that's it for that bit. And then if you want to draw things on a chart, like you'd go to tools at the top here, extending rectangle, for example, and then you can draw your rectangle. To delete it, you just hover over it, right click, erase drawing. If you want to split the profile on the market profile, for example, you right click over the profile you want, select letters, blocks in own column and standard profile, and that splits the profile out. Again, to close it, you just right click over the profile and you select that. I mean, these are just very basics. For more in-depth knowledge on it, you can always Google it on Sierra and read their tutorials and things like that. But this is just a brief introduction for things you might want to know straight away to prevent any problems from happening. I think that's about it, really. If I think of anything else, I'll do another video, but at least now you know how to install the files into Sierra, get your charts up, and be able to select them, move them about, and how to add symbols. Okay. Oh, let's just close that. Right, I'm going to wrap this video up. Cheers, guys.